Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Raquel Welch Collection Play It Straight R1621 S Plus wig. And if you've been eyeing wigs or have been on the lookout for a more natural, sleek look, this one's definitely worth a closer look. So let's get into it. The Play It Straight wig is part of the Raquel Welch Collection, known for its luxury synthetic wigs that are designed with comfort and style in mind. This particular wig features a sheer indulgence lace front, monofilament part, and the memory cap 2 base. Some high-end features that are pretty standard for this brand. It's made with Vibrolite synthetic hair, which is really important because synthetic fibers offer a low-maintenance alternative to human hair while still giving that natural look and feel. First off, let's talk about the build of the wig. It's an average cap size, which is usually ideal for most head shapes, and the color I'm showing here is R29S Plus Glazed Strawberry. It's a gorgeous blend of warm, rich strawberry hues with a natural depth and shine, so it looks very much like healthy, naturally styled hair. If you're someone who loves warm tones, this is absolutely a stunning choice. Now, how does it actually feel and perform? I've had the chance to wear it for a few days, and here's what I found. The lace front is super comfortable. It feels secure, but not too tight, so I didn't experience any discomfort after long wear. The monofilament part is a game changer. It gives the wig that realistic scalp look, like the hair is growing right from your head. The overall construction is light, breathable, and doesn't cause any irritation, which is always a concern with wigs, especially when you're wearing them all day. As for styling, the Play It Straight wig is very low maintenance. I didn't have to worry about styling it constantly, which is one of the reasons why synthetic wigs are so great. The Vibrolite synthetic fibers hold the shape beautifully, so it maintains that sleek, straight look throughout the day without frizzing or losing its structure. Whether you're going out for a casual day or need something a little more polished, it gives you that effortless style. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the pro side, the biggest advantage is the realistic look. This wig definitely doesn't look or feel like your typical synthetic hair. The lace front and monofilament part make a huge difference in how natural it appears, and the color is simply stunning. Also, the memory cap 2 ensures a comfortable, snug fit without being too tight, which is great for extended wear. On the downside, the synthetic material means you can't style it with heat tools, so if you're someone who likes a bit more flexibility with curling or straightening, that's something to consider. And while the color is gorgeous, it might not be for everyone. If you prefer cooler tones, there are other shades in the collection that might suit your style better. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's definitely on the higher end, but you're paying for quality and craftsmanship here. The fit, the materials, and the overall performance are really solid, so if you're in the market for a high-quality synthetic wig, I think the price is justified. If you're considering other options, there are plenty of wigs at a lower price point, but they won't necessarily have the same level of craftsmanship and natural look as this one. The Raquel Welch Play It Straight is truly a step up, and for anyone looking for that premium, long-lasting synthetic wig, it's worth the investment. Now, let's talk about durability. After wearing it for a few days, I can say it holds up well. The synthetic fibers are resilient, and the memory cap 2 base seems designed to last. I didn't notice any issues with the wig losing shape, even after wearing it throughout the day. I haven't had direct experience with customer service for this product, but based on the brand's reputation, Raquel Welch wigs are known for high customer satisfaction, so I'm confident that you'll have support if needed. So, would I recommend this wig? If you're someone who values comfort, natural appearance, and a stylish, low-maintenance option, then yes, absolutely. It's perfect for someone looking to add a chic, sleek look to their hair routine without having to deal with the upkeep of natural hair. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the Play It Straight wig or have any questions about it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.